Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The honorable lecturer and my beloved friends. Good morning, everyone. Before I begin, let me ask you one question. Can you imagine one day without your smartphone? I think most of us will answer no. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Nadia Buci Kurniawati from SPKIP PGRI Pacitan. It is a great honor to stand before you today to share my thoughts on how smartphone change human behavior. Today, I will to persuade you that understanding how smartphone change human behavior can help us use smartphone more wisely. Ladies and gentlemen, smartphones have become an important part of our daily life. We use them for studying, communicating, entertainment, and finding information. They make our life easier. However, they also change the way we think, communicate, and interact with other people. Ladies and gentlemen, first, let me share my experience. As a university student, I use my smartphone every day to study, do my assignment, and communicate with my lecturer and friends. It really helps me in my daily activities. However, sometimes I spend too much time on social media because I lose my focus while studying. According to UNESCO, digital technology can improve learning when it is used wisely. Therefore, I believe smartphones are very useful if we use them in the right way. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine a family having dinner together, but everyone is looking at their own smartphone. Nobody is talking to each other. Imagine a student who wants to study for 1 hour but spend 3 hours watching short videos instead. Therefore, smartphone should help us, not control us. Ladies and gentlemen, now let's look at the facts. Smartphone help us communicate faster, learn new things, and find information easily. Therefore, using smartphone for too long can reduce our focus, affect our sleep, and reduce face-to-face communication. The real problem is not the smartphone, but how we use it. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, smartphones have changed human behavior. They make our life easier, but they can also create problems if we use them too much. Therefore, let us use smartphone wisely. Spend more time with our friends and family, and really enjoy conversation. Remember, control your smartphone. Don't let your smartphone control your life. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.